Wow. Come guys, come.
You got a bit of water dripping off your nose.
Your legs, didn't you? You had your life jacket on. Say 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Then turn right onto right. Take the first right once you've gone right.
Yeah.
Then you'll be right.
Ah.
Where's your favorite?
Pass me your umbrella.
I'm still. Oh, look, someone's getting.
Never mind. Thank you. Well. Okay, so we're at YS Falls. We're about to get on the bus, which is actually going to take us there. Ooh, it's a lovely hot day, beautiful, and it looks like it's going to be very busy. Melly's excited as well.
Go swimming.
He is. Oh.
Guys, you looking forward to your trip?
Yes. One.
Hey. Wow, this is cool.
I'm about to go swimming. I'm about to get burned. There you go.
Yay. So lovely. It's like beautiful, beautiful scenery. Absolutely stunning. We're surrounded by like mountains and trees. There's a breeze on the bus.
Yeah,
lovely.
Where are you today?
YS Falls.
Oh, look at the gums. Where are you today?
YFIB.
Get Melly. Yee.
Wow.
Don't know if you can see in the distance,
T, you've
but
got
there
your
it
shorts
is.
on and that.
There's the waterfall. He has. You ready?
Yes.
Should we go have some fun?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Look how beautiful it is. This is. They went in. It was a bit cold, so we're gonna go to the other pool and check that one out. It's so hot. I'm just glistening, not sweating. Oh, I love it. Where have they gone? Is it warmer?
Oh, you want to stay in Jamaica? Can you imagine? I grew up in Jamaica. I can't swim, you know. And that's why I think.
Theo, careful,
Hello?
careful, careful.
Watch out for that.
Straighten your arm out for me, guys.
His mum's like, really
You're gonna get
crazy, you know what I mean?
children.
He's from America.
You tell no.
And it's going to be a graveyard. She was literally saying we're going to get like chopped up.
Yeah.
Oh, so you just say
Hello?
You just go, Tobes. Just go.
Why would that be a problem?
I'm just asking, can you just wait 2 minutes for us? Wait 2 minutes for us. Just go then, just go.
Come over here. That's the big boy.
Well done, Hayes.
Where are they?
The shallow bits there.
There's no life jacket.
You can put. So we're in the the swimming pool. This is the second swimming pool. So you saw the first one that we're in. This one is deeper, bigger, a bit warmer as well. Like Melody.
Jump in a second. 3, 2.
You're blushing.
What?
I feel I almost got
Is that like catch this?
Hey! Oh, close. I'm gonna chuck it back in. Your throat's too strong. Too strong. Yeah, go on, go. Ooh, nice. Very nice. Oh. What's the matter? Come. You want to go sit with Raquel? Or you coming to Daddy? Oh, she got worried, did she? You alright, T? Go, TT. Way! Is it hard to... Good boy. You ready, T? Go on, T. Yay! Go on, go, TT. How you doing there, Hayes?
Good try, mate.
Well done, T.
Here you go.
You're right, Hayes.
Gisella, isn't it? It's a.
They don't really have space to run up and down, but they're not cooped up.
I haven't seen her for a long time.
We're here still. We've had such a nice afternoon. So beautiful. Baby's falling asleep now. She's done a little bit of swimming. Hazel's just coming out. Theo's out. But yeah, it's been such a nice afternoon. So beautiful. Look.
We are
Obviously,
together with the family, children, and we
we've all had such a good time. Such a brilliant day.
So what are you gonna say, Jizzy?
I'm cold because in the pool was cold at first, but now the pool's warm and the air's cold.
Yay!
And to be honest, we looked at the weather before we came and it said it was going to rain this afternoon, so we're getting out before the rain comes.
But we had a really good time. They had a really good time. I just sitting and watching it. So the Returneeracq and
The Osbornes in Jamaica. Hey.
that's a good idea.
Beautiful. We're just walking nicely. Come on, we're walking nicely. So who's had a nice day here today?
Me.
Yeah? We've had so much fun. It's such a beautiful environment, isn't it?
Is this way his birthday?
No, but it feels like it, doesn't it? Yeah, it's been lovely, so lovely. Such a safe environment. The kids have had fun swimming. Yeah, we've had a brilliant time so far. Haven't we, Fee? Yeah, they went swimming in the deep end and they weren't scared, although Hazel was a little bit. But you had fun in the end, didn't you, Hazel? Yeah? Yeah, real good time, real good vibes. I think we're going to come here again next time. Might bring a bit of a picnic with us so we can sit down. Yeah, we can sit down, we can eat, we can chill. And yeah, just spend a bit of a longer time here. Because as we say, it looks like it's going to rain.
On the end of
Wow. What's that?
Just had a pump.
But gosh, there's just so much space here, so much greenery and beautiful space. Look at all the scenery and like the beautiful trees and everything. Just, yeah, amazing. Honestly, if you're in this area or you come into Jamaica, you've got to come to YS Falls. Amazing. Good boy. There was. Can you see it's gonna rain? On my hand? Is it come away from the edge, darling, before you drop in? This was our little section that we were sitting in. See it there? Hazy. Very, very nice spot. But you can see it's just getting darker and darker. And yeah, the rain's gonna fall any minute now, so let's go. Just left the swimming pool area of YS Falls. Now we're walking over to the actual waterfall. So this part we've not been to. Looking forward to seeing it. I can hear it. Sounds lovely. Near the waves crashing. Wow. Come guys, come. Come have a look at this. This is, what is this, Hazy?
M&S Waterfall.
M&S Waterfalls, Hazel said. Wow. I'm going to turn you round. Look at this.
Wow, look at that. Sorry, mate.
Come see.
Wasn't filming.
Oh, was it not?
No.
Right, come again. One more time. Retake. Go, turn round, see. Say 1, 2, 3.
YS
YS Falls. YS Falls. Turn this way. Yay! Do you two want to jump in the air? That could be a fun now. Turn round, jump. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Alright, I'm just gonna run up there. You guys gonna come up or not?
Yeah. You come. Stay with the family. Hazel, wait.
Yeah.
Just like, guys, keep
Hazel,
an eye
come
on
back
where
with
we
me.
are.
Come back with me.
Right, here we go. So we're just walking up a bit past the first section.
That's right.
There's like a bridge here that you can walk up on. Doesn't it look amazing? You right, T? Can you move over? Mind the people. So beautiful. Look at this. Amazing. Even all the plants are like so tropical and green and luscious. Wow, this is the noise. Wow.
Hey guys.
Guys.
Wow. Wow, yeah, I don't think there's no way you can.
Children cannot go in here, can they?
Yeah, guys, come away. Just step away from the edge.
Yeah. This is no joke. Coming in, Hazel. Coming in. All right, through. Yay.
Mummy, you're gonna have to get down.
Oh, sorry.
And again, do that again, Mummy.
Whoa.
Oh, we better go.
Look how high up we are. Yay!
And it's absolutely chucking it down with rain now. All right. Two. YS Falls! might as well.
May as well.
We're stranded.
Hey, we're stuck.
We have to wait for the bus to go.
Wow, like get it all. My God. Sunshine and showers.
Bedtime is over.
We should have just left.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, we got it.
We don't mind a little bit of rain though, do we?
I do. We left England for
this.
we left this to try and.
It's followed us here.
Yeah, that's true. I think it has.
What is it? It's for us here.
Yeah.
That one's coming for us. That's coming for us.
Me, it's just followed you here, innit?
Let's stop. Oh my God. It's like it's coming for us.
Yeah, is the bus going to be able to take us back? And then
Yeah, is that what I'm
going to get washed away?
Still beautiful though, listening to the rain.
Huh?
The sound of the rain is still very nice.
Hey, what are you doing down there? Did you bring any food in?
No, I didn't.
No, I did not.
That's how we want to go.
Yeah.
Get on the bus and yeah, even though we're wet.
I used to love it.
I'm gonna walk in the rain now.
Alright, you guys go.
Let's do this. Oh my God.
Oh my. Come on, mummy. You a bit wet?
Just a little.
I'm all right. I'm all right under the umbrella. I did tell you to bring one. You got a bit of water dripping off your nose.
Well done.
You a bit wet? Hey.
Just a little bit. Just a little bit. It's recording. Run in, guys. Done. Just walk slowly and carefully.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Here you go, me. Say that. Say that.
We made it. Exactly. We made it. We made it. Oh, we're dry. Well, we're not dry, but you know, we're undercover. We're back on the bus, going back to like the main entrance, and then gonna get in the car. We knew it was gonna rain around 1 o'clock, but
It's like 2, so it's an hour late.
yeah, we pushed it and got caught in the rain. Never mind.
Hey guys, tea. Tea, did you have a good time?
Yeah. You did such good swimming, darling. And you did swimming.
Yeah, I'm done it. And I kicked my leg.
You did kick your legs, didn't you? You had your life jacket on. Oh my gosh. And the adventure continues.
It really does.
Fun. Fun. You can't see anything out there with all the rain on the windows.
You a bit wet?
Yes.
Did you have fun?
Yes, we are once in a break.
Yeah, we did.
You were very good, well behaved. Good. Melly, did you have fun?
Did you have fun, Melody? You thinking about it?
Look at those guys.
Oh no.
They're big, aren't they?
Right, zooming up on mine, are you?
Oh, that's what we don't get them from me, do they?
Oh, it's been fun.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a bit much.
Not water.
It was actually pretty.
That's a minute to go.
It was pretty bumpy, to be fair.